Well, you can now use Perplexity on Firefox. You can set Perplexity as the default search engine on the browser. Now, this is not actually a new feature. This is something that I have covered on my previous video many months ago. But right now, anyone can start utilizing this amazing AI research tool on Firefox. And I'm going to show you how you can actually utilize this AI tool on your Firefox browser. First, let's open Firefox, and I do recommend to actually update the browser to the latest version. You can click on this menu and then go to Help and then select About Firefox. It will open this message or this box, and basically if there is a new update, it's going to instantly or automatically install the update. Just wait, and after that you can restart the browser. And after that, you can navigate to settings and go to search, and then here for the default search engine you can select Perplexity. So if you select this option, every time you search something on this address bar, it's going to be using Perplexity, not Google. For example, I want to know about the price of Nvidia stock. Hit enter, and as you can see, it is navigating directly into Perplexity. And in some situations it's actually a bit better than Google because the answer is more direct. But what if you still want to use traditional search engines like Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo, but sometimes you might want to use Perplexity in some situations? Well, you can do that. So what you need to do is you have to start a new tab, and to use Perplexity there are two ways. First, you can either just type the keyword, like for example, price of Nvidia stock again, and you can select the Perplexity account right here to instantly switch to Perplexity for this particular keyword. So that's one way to do that. Another way is by using the add character. Just type add and then Perplexity, and then press tab on your keyboard, and then you can write the keyword that you want to search on Perplexity or via Firefox. So that's basically how you can use Perplexity as your search engine on Firefox browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.